tupe.
Yeah, so.
Mani, mamoe, waka e umu, maopo e umu. Or we can put on that anywhere, any table.
Te whatu manako te ke kai te tau kai. Kuroala te kai ko whoke te umu.
Pakalo whatu makou, mawhola, e ke hā, ko i whale kai I Pack and Save I Highland Park. Hau au ke whakatau e tau mena kai ke tuki loto e umu. Tau se umu e aho nei brother-in-law haku. Lino hongo fulu e tau. Si talange au ki mahakitanga tau sister haku mai ke tau se umu e whale haku. Sup peeps? I'm in Pack and Save Highland Park. It's a brand new one. 5,000 people came here on the opening day. 5,000. It's new, it's close to us. I usually go to Woolworths, but now I come here because everyone knows Pack and Save's got the better prices. Just come to buy some meat and maybe some foil. Whakatau e puaka mo e mamoe mo e foila. Just a small one. I'm just doing this for my brother and my sister because Peter's been a good brother-in-law after all these years. It's facing me there. And yeah, also shout out to Dane, Janet, and Janet's mum Tina. Met them yesterday on Friday at the Flatbush fundraiser. They're fundraising for their son to go to Samoa for a book launch, which is cool. Man, look at this price. Look at these prices. $2.49 per kg. Oi tau fusi. I love bananas. Bananas is my favorite. Bananas being a bit expensive. But yeah. And also shout out to Shone. He's a Tongan, but he follows the channel. He did a Niue language course and he graduated with my brother Christian at the same MIT ceremony. So yeah, hello to Shone, pakalo whatu malo. All the best for you and your missus on your wangahau Niue journey. Oh, yes, it's my favorite place. I'll get some footage of the food. Okay, go for the video. Whakalofa atu e ke hā.
Ai koe fusi au he talo polo. Whakalofa atu koe fusi au he talo polo e ki tawa ke moa hai. Koe talo polo It's called nightshade.
Oh, deadly nightshade.
Deadly nightshade, hai. But the Niue people loves it. Actually, there's a lot of I think that the iron in this polo leaves are higher than the spinach.
Oh.
So see, if you see, nice. And what I'm going to do this, I'm going to cook it with the chicken. So we're going to have chicken and coconut cream.
Whenonga hao? Ki Niue?
Ai, koe Niue. It's the people in Niue. It's not so good. Not everyone. I went to Niue to make me angry. That's why I came to court. All good, all good. And I like that, finish, get up, go and shake hands.
Yeah, move on. Oh, nice. Liu mai aho neofi eh?
Yes, I came yesterday.
Yeah.
But I also want to say this, just be aware. The case I went and the family asked me to be their advocate and I went to court with them. What I learned, the interpretation, the translation of Leviti. Leviti actually.
Whakalo whatu.
Mawhole pongi mo bro.
Mawhala.
Ko hingo te mahua e aho nei.
O hingo e ha ngā hua hao.
Koe hau au ka hake fuaman e mare whakarere ham tolu. Koe ha nai kutumu kua leo deke au take rungu karapa kai whakamomo kai lai kutumu le moko ngai e pungpung. Koe horafia ka whakawhiaf iu.
Honga fulu maua.
Okay. Mure ngeni ka?
E.
Kanta ke a o te kehe te wapa ki
Holo mataha.
o te kehe te wapa kai mo e mutumu.
E.
Dry the sun will dry the
Oh.
and around the umu so the
Yeah.
fire will go wild and burn all the woods and the rocks. So you'll have all the food will be cooked. If it's wet, which you are lucky it's not raining. But now it's a beautiful day. Filling up with coffee now, your wife makes beautiful coffee, bro. Beautiful. Iya. Reo nai ka hake whakawhiu. Reo ni ke tau hao me Fia ora me mo fia. Start at 5 o'clock, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. E.
Okay.
Aia.
Whakaue.
Honga fulu maono.
Oh, what did you give Hector?
Tupe.
Yeah, so...
Mani. Mamoe.
No, I mean,
Waka.
the... Everyone?
He ingoa.
E tupe.
Ai. Puhi. Tau se... Oh, kamata ki tau se takihi.
Mate e tau se takihi. White tā rā he ta mafua loku tose.
Fiha?
Fitu.
Fitu.
So, ta mai
Ope.
wholoku e whio aki e posipala kula.
Ai whai punu pisi. Ovo, hang on, whakatali. Oh,
Whai punu pisi a vai?
whai.
O si ne tārai. Koe talo sea e. E tapai o Niue ne ahi. This is the right taro. E tau sea ke taki.
Sorry. Yep.
Sweet. Watching okay. Just preparing the swimmer there. Looks good. It's gonna clean up. Good work for that person who does that. That's good.
Grandpa.
Hoki the food. I can lift it then. Skip it up. That's John. You having us, man? Wow, lovely. Lucky.
Whakaoe.
Lucky. Bye.
Alright. Kei whakalo whātu ka e luaki haku. Malona kai.
Maraloa whakau e laki. Ka hoko mai te au ke. Tau se kai haku, ke tuku e loko Niue Umu. Yeah, whakau e laki John.
Homo.
Hosting.
Oh, mitaki. Ko ingoa ne tunu.
Me tau.
Tau. Ko ingoa ne tau.
Spinach, moe sausisi. Spinach,
Oh, homo. Niue favorite. Okay.
I said to him, just chuck it all in the umu. Whatever comes up, we're just going to eat it. So.
Wow, homo.
Yeah, there's another day tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, plenty of food.
Yeah.
As long as I'm in a game.
Whātua mana ki a maua ke tungi awhi. Nea e umu. Maopo e umu. Se. Okay. Long e tau tūlei. Long e tau tūlei ke tau. Homo. Whewhe e awhi.
Aye. Block. Slowly. We oppose the driveway exit way. But I knew them. When I go to court, I'll tell the court, where's these people from? I don't know who these people are.
take o.
Omo. Tu grua mamita, haia.
Fai kupu. Peter, fai kupu. Fai kupu.
David, vai kupu.
Oh god, tu hema tayo me haka tō kupu.
Yeah.
Whakalofa to everyone. So we're here at John's house today, it's Sunday, so we just put down the umu for lunch, for the afternoon tea moto. As you can see, nicely covered. No smoke coming out of there, so moho mi take tau kai. Ka whukeo. Have a good day everyone, all the best. Aue.
Whakaoe, whakaoe. Kalau Fatima kau, pate tau umu, lang matai ha, lang matai, umai Peter, Sandy, Hayden, matu fifini mo matu tani, hau foki in-law haka ko kas ke lang matai, umai tau kai. And here we got our my nephew Jordan come to help too. Yeah. Any words? Any words for your dad?
Happy birthday, Dad. Wish you all the best. Love you.
Okay. Yeah, Peter, Elo or Peter. Peter doesn't know that the woman's for him, but we'll see at 5 o'clock. Sorry, la. Okay. Okay.
Jordan, I'll pass it to you and you put it on the table.
I think we can do this now.
You need like 2 pieces of paper like this. John,
Yo.
just the hands work.
Hey, I don't think it's that hot now. Oh yeah, you got it. Yeah. Yeah. Or we can put on that anywhere, any table.
Go. Oh, it's hot, guys.
Yeah, here's the food out. Manui. It's the prayer. Kupu, Mr. Birthday guy.
Vai kupu, Jordan, vai kupu. Vai hongi te whatu manako te ke kai tau kai. Kuola tau kai, ko whuke te umu. Ka ue ke hao neif, ka ue ke hea tua. Hao sa pati nei ha tau tolu. Ka ue ke John mo te niao, whanau. Ke whare ko whangi mai ke o mai a matolu ke whakawhia mo e whakataha ki haka. Nue ne to me no hosi ki. Ka ue.
Too low.
Go.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, brother. Happy birthday, Peter. God bless you always. Just keep it the man yourself, man. Just keep it up. 20 years, keep this man safe. Big man above for you. Just want to say it's safe from Eden. Keep yourself here. Just give my heart. Here's Ali.
Go it. She. No, that's alright.
I'm just covering it.
Yeah, the langoi. Whoa, the food was cooked well again.
Perfect, eh?
Yeah, see, how was it, Sandy?
You've eaten half my food. Food was perfect. Really well cooked.
Yeah, it was soft, eh?
Nice surprise too.
Yeah, his face was...
I know. Very surprised. Thank you, John.
Oh, thank you.
Cover this thing.
Hi Peter, I hope you have a good birthday and I hope that you have a good life and when you grow old we will be able to and we will always be your friend. Bye.
Hi Peter, hope you have a good birthday. I hope that you could probably get me a present or money that if I did stuff that you always wanted me to do and I'll make you a trap by giving my boxing shorts.
Happy birthday, Peter. Really good. I hope you have a great birthday. 50 years old, still pushing. Yeah, and I hope you have many more years to come. Yeah. Fuck all it. Happy birthday, Uncle Peter. I wish you all the best. Thank you for looking after me. And yeah, whakakoe.
Happy birthday, Peter. Monui nei aho. Whānau, I hope that you have an amazing birthday and God bless you.
Monuina e aho whanau hauma Peter. Thank you. I'm sorry about the first take one didn't work because I went to go and get some takihi here. This lunch is delicious. I feel like it's my birthday. But anyway, don't forget it is my birthday at the end of the year. No. Anyway, happy birthday. It's awesome, beautiful, lovely songs, awesome speeches, and well, I was going to say welcome to the family, but you've been around for, like I said, over 3 decades. It's been awesome. And you brought us 3 beautiful nephews and brainy as niece. So I look forward to seeing them grow up. Alright, go elahi.
Happy birthday, Uncle Peter. Happy 50th, all the best, and yep.
Hey Peter, happy birthday. All the best. It's an awesome lunch, brother. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Wish you all the best for this year, 50 years. That's 5 decades on Earth, and I hope that today has made you happy with all the family together and all the young food. And I hope that you enjoyed your trip to Sydney. Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you.
Whakakoe. Kingston.
I did my one before.
Oh, you done yours? Okay. Bella, any birthday wishes for your whara? Bella? Whakakoe. You said yours, eh? To Indy? Okay.
Whakalapatu, Morene Aho Whanau Hau, Peter, happy 50th birthday. Thank you so much for being a wonderful brother-in-law. May God bless you and continue to look upon you and your family. Thank you for being a really awesome husband to my older sister and also an awesome dad to my niece and nephews. All the best for the next 50 years. Yeah, that's all.
Whakakoe. Oh, homo e popi masima, ma moe.
Happy birthday, Peter. Thank you for being the best uncle. And thank you for being there for me. Yeah.